Well, today, guys, we picked up a three-wheeler. I haven't had a three-wheeler in a really long time, and we got a 200X. It's 1984. It is not the original motor, guys. It's the 200S swapped 200X, so it's not the actual 200X. It has the 200X, you know, suspension, frame, everything, but just the 200S motor, which is the pull start. I picked this machine up for $600. You can see the tires do have some dry rot cracking, but there is tread. You can see the front fender is damaged, but I'm getting a new front fender very soon. I have that, going to be getting that very soon. It needs its lights hooked up. Go ahead and turn the petcock off. I did get it running, guys. I did clean the carburetor just when I got it this morning, and I put a new spark plug in, and it did run pretty good. It does smoke a little bit. You guys can see down there it's pretty oily by that shift shaft seal, and maybe I could clean it up and put that seal in without taking the motor apart. But I got a bunch of parts with it, guys, and I'm going to go show you. But I'm really excited to kind of get this project underway. I definitely do want to keep this because I had the exact same 200X 1984 about 3 years ago, and I sold it for really, really cheap. And I'm definitely going to keep this one. You guys can see the rear plastics are cracked right here. Possibly might consider getting rear plastics as well. It's got a different aftermarket exhaust, possibly like a Cobra pipe, I want to say that is. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think it's a Cobra pipe or DG, I'm not sure. But it looks like it's the full pipe. You guys can see they use the 200X ignition. The front plastic, like I said, is just completely junk. But I have a fender coming, hopefully. I'm going to go get it from a guy on Messenger. But very, very excited to ride this thing. I definitely want to trail ride it this year, and should be awesome. But we also got with it a 200X motor, so it actually has the 200X motor. I don't know the year. I'm going to actually look at the model number, look it up online. I'm probably going to just sell the motor on eBay. They're going for like $300 to $400. This motor is complete. It does turn over. So you guys can do the math. Paid $600 for the whole machine. Try to sell the motor for $400. Also got, right here, guys, a front brake caliper assembly with triple tree. And I got some forks, but they look to be bent. Also, a gas tank, guys, a second gas tank. No dents in it at all, original paint. They're going for between $100 and $150 on eBay any day. So I'm looking to sell probably the parts to almost pay for the entire trike. So pretty much have a free 200X, hopefully, when we get done with it. Looks like the brakes do work. It is oily around the motor, and if it does need a top end, obviously I'll just put a top end rebuild into it. Recoil is kind of iffy. The recoil is kind of sluggish when it goes back in. Possibly needs a rebuild as well, but not that big of a deal. Hopefully in the next video, I just want to do, this would be like an introduction of me getting it. Next video I'll show you guys, we'll get it running, kind of go over what we all have to do to it. Maybe take it for its maiden voyage because I have not ridden it quite yet. And just definitely excited to reveal this to the channel for you guys. Hopefully you guys are excited, just as excited as I am, because I'm just freaking out. I haven't had one of these in so long. You guys can see right there, 1984 200X, and I think it has the clean VIN around that side, so definitely be able to register it and everything like that. But I don't really know too much else. I know we got some parts with it. It does run. I'm not sure about the driving. It did shift through the gears. We'll get to that in another video. I definitely need to get some lights hooked up. It still has the original light bracket and the connector. We do have to do some wiring for the lighting coil and get that all rigged up so we have a headlight and tail light. Other than that, guys, it's a $600 200X with a 200S motor. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this trike. Was it worth the $600? Keep in mind that in Wisconsin, these don't come up very often, and when they do, they're really overpriced. So I just wanted to act fast. I texted the guy right away, and it was only maybe a half hour from my house, so I went and bought it. And now we own it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below what you guys think of the new trike, and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. I'll see you guys in the next video.